My name is Susan Hudson. I teach Phase 2 of the NC FAST course at the college. I am a supervisor at Beaufort County Department of Social Services. Been there 15 years. Income Maintenance Phase 1 starts January 14th. That fee is $125 and can be waived. Phase 2 starts March 9th, and that fee is $130, and there are some occupational scholarships available to help with that. You do not have to have a degree to start this class. You do have to have a high school diploma or a GED. Anyone who is interested in getting a job at Department of Social Services, maybe they are unemployed at the time, looking to find better employment for themselves. Through this line of work, you will be doing the NC FAST program, which will enter the food nutrition services applications, Medicaid applications for family and children and adults, into the system to determine whether or not these individuals are eligible for these programs. It takes a special person to work at the Department of Social Services. If you'd like to get a stable job with good benefits and want to make an impact in our community, please come take the NC FAST course.